Annabelle Lewis from V V Rouleaux, and this is our 100 colour guide, V V Rouleaux's 100 colour guide, and today we're going to do onion skin. Funny name, but onion skin, it's a rather nice colour, really very golden oniony. These are all the ribbons. We have a gorgeous little one here with a gold edge, velvets, gimps. This is a printed ribbon, a jute or herringbone tape with a musical score on printed onto it. Gold cords, wire-edged ribbon, another favourite ribbon, pom-pom trims, grosgrains, very thin velvet, lovely velvets that are 4mm, striped with white, a grosgrain, more gimps, very useful for your furniture. And I'll just show you a few of those from the rolls. This is a fun one with ladybirds on, so onion skin with ladybirds. So lots of different types of ribbon, very sophisticated or children's ribbons in onion skin, and then wire-edged ribbon, my favourite. Absolutely lovely wire on either side of the ribbon, and herringbone tape, very natural matte ribbon. A good tape for wrapping up parcels or using lavender bags. Very nice matte texture to it. Here we have the musical score on another herringbone tape. So lovely onion skin colour. And using onion skin with other colours, I think it's quite cool to have something like this coat that we made about 1993. This is one of V V Rouleaux's designs of fabrics, and look how you've got a lovely mauve and a dark brown and orange, quite a contemporary sort of design, but how nice to use oranges and lilacs, unusual colour combination with onion skin. And this was another one we did, a sort of grey fabric with onion skin and a gold all together. These designs came from an old ribbon that we had years ago. And then we have lovely things like a tapestry in onion skin, and how you'd work in lots of lovely flower colours, pale blues and lilacs and greens. We did a job once where we had some fantastic leather panelling, and then we had it embossed with silver, so onion skin and silver, so good combination. And then finishing with other things in onion skin, which is this piece of cinnamon, which make the most amazing hats, which we do at V V Rouleaux. And this is an onion skin disc, and if we pleat it and we can fold it, fantastic product, and then you can make the most amazing headpiece. That's 100 colours, and this is onion skin from V V Rouleaux.